So the ones from my previous videos, those all got eaten up. These are the second batch.
Free the gang, I'm yelling until they all home. Fresh out when I went and caught me a long chrome. 10 years, my razor was in my jawbone. In the yard, the back was stashing the long Jones. Say something, the K don't graze nothing. Homie got trapped by the feds, I hope he don't say nothing. On the blast, let me touch and I'm ready to take something. Shake something, my Uzi and break something. Real to the core, my gang don't fake nothing. Going through it so many years that my karma broke. Mail code getting K2 in the envelope. I'm with all kind of smoke. I get your mama smoke. On the dance floor, hands on in my cell on my sandstone. See more skin ripped in the plantain. Fresh out, ain't nothing to go bad. Pull up in all black, I'm leaving them all flat. If it's on, then it's on. I just make a call. Mass on, Castron, we gon' dead them all. Chopsticks, mop sticks, leave their heads on floors. Verbal in the cause, we gon' leave them fucked of cause. It's Mac. I was taught by old heads that emotions is for bitches. And if you catch a body, then you gotta kill a witness. Pray that Lord gon' forgive us for what we do in the trenches. Not a game or a scrimmage. I gotta handle my business and it's 10 toes. Action cartridge like Nintendo. Catch a bullet like you standing in the end zone. I got birds like a pet shop, bitch. You my son, watch how you talking to your step pop, bitch. I got the game in the choke on some headlock shit. My balls